For days, we've run from the swarm, but it followed us, growing stronger with every mile. Today, we stop running and claim victory. We'll stand proud knowing we didn't die waiting for help, but that we stole survival for ourselves.
I admit, that was inspiring.
Fuck yeah.
When this is over, I'm gonna sleep for a month.
The convoy is exposed. We need that gate open to get everyone inside ASAP.
Bases like this tend to have maintenance access in their drainage systems. That should take us to gain control.
Just once.
Hey, it's got me!
This'll do.
We move together.
Another deeper, cramped tunnel. Fun. Ready to run. It's an army base. It has to have a generator to power the gate control.
Airport base.
What?
Never mind.
There's always something. Generators are up, but we need to find gate control.
Looks like gate control is routed to a different terminal.
No more liquor. Convoy, the gate has power. You can bring everyone inside.
Copy that. The gate's opening and we're moving everyone inside. Nice work. See you topside.
We'll move once we're all here.
God, we're so close.
It's not over yet. All right, everybody here? Good. Move out.
I'm good.
Ready to...
When the generator turned over, the base systems came online, but the noise alerted the infected. Find a defensible position and hold your ground.
We copy. Prepping for incoming.
Shoot. found a defense kit.
Zombie zapper is go. Come on, come on.
Well, here we go.
Reloading. Cover me.
They're here.
They're moving in. Move! Move! Move!
I've got enough bullets for everybody.
Dealt with the infector. Reloading. Need cover fire.
Tantrum over.
Watch it, dumbass. Think you can take me?
Feeling better. Wow, now that's got some heft to it. The overcompensator.
You've got a juggernaut.
Kill the juggernaut. I've got enough bullets for everybody.
Here they come. Throwing a grenade.
Tantrum over.
Think you can take me?
Watch your aim.
They're down. I'm good.
We're not seeing further infected movement. Proceed and secure the command center.
We got this.
I'm reloading. Cover me.
Feeling better.
Keep quiet. Just got word that the command center is on power. Cut off access. Advising a route through the maintenance tunnels in the hangar.
Just when we got out of the tunnels, they send us back in. Lurker's dead.
The door's locked and too dense to blow. We'll have to burn the lock out with thermite. Just have to craft some. I've got you. Sorry. Thanks. There's the control tower. Oh, I bet the command center is in the same building.
Workbench, check. Thermite ingredients? Investigations are ongoing.
Screamer isn't screaming anymore. Got some here.
All we need is the materials for thermite.
Workbench, check. Thermite ingredients? Investigations are ongoing.
Got some here.
Find the materials, we can craft thermite at that workbench.
Lockpicking through chemistry.
I'm good. Are you kidding me? The Lord.
Just a little bit longer.
Did you say that like her? Someone shoot this thing!
Watch it.
Get your hands off me!
They're all over me!
Throwing a grenade! Need cover! Reloading!
Watch your aim.
Reloading.
Feeling better. Come on. Come on, you got this.
Hooah!
This place better have a mess hall. I'm gonna eat my weight in MREs.
Reload. Need cover fire.
I've got enough bullets for everybody.
Running fire. Check out the list.
What's your aim?
Need cover. Reloading.
I'm good. Looks like this place blew a fuse. There must be a generator around here somewhere.
If that powered the building, the elevator should be getting built.
Top floor, let's go.
Enemy incoming!
Infected are massing around us, and the fences won't hold them for long. We need defenses ASAP.
Let's get defensive.
Think you can take me?
Reloading. Need cover fire.
Scouts are reporting infected massing on the base. While you prepare for the attack, the engineers are restoring systems needed to get the electric fences operational.
Engineers, electric fences. I almost feel spoiled.
Now that's got some nuts to it. Defense kit. I hope it works.
Charged up and ready to rock. Setting door charge.
Stationary gun ready. Keeps zombies at...
Make contact with the infected. Stand your ground and defend your home.
This is for all the marbles.
Zombie zapper is go.
Overkill is underrated.
or they'll throw the breakers.
Anything to see those zombies fry. I'm reloading. Cover me.
Everyone on the generator? Who are we missing?
Starting the generator. Think you can take me?
Who's not on a generator? We need to do this together.
I was too slow. Let's do it again. Starting the generator.
It's working. Teamwork makes the dream work, baby.
Nice work. The defenses are locked. Take out any infected who make it through.
Friendly fire!
Attacks on your position are easing up. Break off and support engagements at the following coordinates.
Copy that, Command. Oscar Mike.
I'm good.
Killed the lurker.
Got a juggernaut! There's always something. Defense kit. I hope it works. Mortar, ready to go. Come on, come on.
The engineers are calibrating the aircraft guidance system. Give them cover or we can't get our birds in the air.
Squad, protect the engineers at all costs.
We're clear. I found a defense kit. Charged up and ready to rock.
Need to reload.
Think you can take me?
bullshit, dumbass.
Think you can take me?
Flight system calibrated. Powering in. Hold out for as long as you can. Help is coming.
I'm so ready to finish this. They followed us all this way? All of them? How? Come on.
Blue on blue!
I've got enough bullets for everybody.
The infected are about to breach engineering. Take them out!
Watch it.
Think you can take me?
Bull's been taken out.
The base is secure. All ground forces stand down. Close air support is inbound to eliminate the remaining infected.
Shit, it's ours. We're home. And we got jets.
It's my honor to welcome you all home. You fought bravely to secure our survival. Not just for today, but for all the days to come.